Project DARKSTAR looks to be responsible for the 2019 Pheonix Lights, and was also again recently picked up on Bruce C's old telescope, over Ontario, Canada in 2024. I can't help but think that it resembles the Russian MiG-31 Firefox as flown by Clint Eastwood in the movie of the same name. Firefox, top secret, highly visible. Once seen it would have dropped flares to cover its tracks. We've seen you. We know you're real.